Are you shopping today?
Yes, I am shopping today.
What do you need?
I need a new shirt.
Do you like this store?
Yes, I like this store.
Where are the shirts?
The shirts are over there.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Is this shirt nice?
Yes, this shirt is nice.
What size do you wear?
I wear medium.
Do you need pants?
Yes, I need pants.
Where are the pants?
The pants are here.
Are these shoes comfortable?
Yes, these shoes are comfortable.
What shoes do you want?
I want black shoes.
Can you try them?
Yes, I can try them.
Is the fitting room open?
Yes, it is open.
Do you like this jacket?
Yes, I like this jacket.
Why do you like it?
It looks stylish.
Are you ready to buy?
Yes, I am ready.
What else do you need?
I need socks.
Do you need a larger size?
Yes, I need a larger size.
Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is upstairs.
Can I try this shirt?
Yes, you can try it.
What size fits you?
Medium fits me.
Is this sweater warm?
Yes, this sweater is warm.
How much is it?
It is $20.
Do you like this color?
Yes, I like this color.
What color looks better?
Blue looks better.
Can you wear this coat?
Yes, I can wear it.
Why do you need it?
I need it for winter.
Is this your size?
Yes, this is my size.
Where are the belts?
The belts are nearby.
Do you need a hat?
No, I do not.
What are you buying?
I am buying a jacket.
Can you pay by card?
Yes, I can pay by card.
Where is the cashier?
The cashier is ahead.
Are these socks soft?
Yes, these socks are soft.
What is the total?
The total is $40.
Can you pay by card?
Yes, I can pay by card.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, I need a bag.
Can I keep the receipt?
Yes, you can.
Is everything ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I am happy now.
What did you practice?
I practiced clothing English.
Can you practice tomorrow?
Yes, I can practice tomorrow.
How was today's practice?
Great job practicing today.